Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. My name is Sonam and in this video we will unbox and review the Glamstory mini box March 2019 edition. It's priced at just ₹349 including shipping and it's a Holi Special edition. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. This is how the package reached me. So this is how the beautiful turquoise color box looks like. I love the color and it just says Glamstory, pretty simple. Once we open, we have some info details and here are all the products. So let's go through them one by one. So being a Holi Special edition, the first product they have added are these organic gulal by Glamstory itself and it says Happy Holi. So I'm really happy to receive this. This is my first color of 2019 and Holi is a really special time for me. I have so many beautiful memories from my childhood and this time I'm even going home for Holi, so I'm really excited for this year's Holi. Then moving on to skincare, we have the skin whitening pack from Glamstory. It's a 50-gram size worth ₹249, manufactured very freshly in March 2019 and best before 24 months. Here are the directions for use and you can see the ingredients. It's really good. Well, I'm someone who does not support skin whitening or skin lightening products, but if you see the ingredients, it's so natural. It's not something that's gonna whiten your skin unnaturally or something like that. It's gonna bring out the real complexion of you. It's not gonna change your complexion as such, but it will remove the dead skin cells, the tan and the hyperpigmentation, all those things, so that your face looks more radiant and it glows more and looks kind of brightened. So that's what this will do. So this is how the pack looks like. That's the color. It's a powder. I'm definitely gonna try this one, especially now I have got a lot of tan on my body, especially my hands, and also I'll try this one on my hands as well. Then we have another product from Glamstory itself and this is their face cream. So this is their directions for use and I can see the ingredients are really good. Seems very promising. 30-gram size and cost is ₹299 and this one you can use till December 2019. And the last skincare product is this one. It's again by Glamstory and these are sugar scrub face cubes. So you can use these sugar scrubs on your face. I'm really excited to try them. I'm not sure how it will be, but I can actually see some sugar granules in it. It looks very pretty and these are very cute small cubes. So I'm definitely gonna try this. I've used some Glamstory skincare products till now. I used their perfume from last time and I really loved it. So I'm definitely looking forward to trying these and I hope I'll love these too. Now moving on to makeup, we have a lipstick here. It's by the brand Romantic May. It's a matte lipstick and in a beautiful shade. This is the shade 6 and the cost of this is ₹299 in itself and expires in 2021 December. It's a seal pack. The packaging seems nice and very pretty and girly kind of packaging and it's sturdy too. This is how the shade looks like. I am liking the shade as well. Let's have a swatch. Oh wow. So this one here is very creamy, glided like butter even on my hands and you can see it's completely matte. It does not have any shine, but it's not something that's gonna dry out your lips. It's very creamy, so I really like it and I even love the shade. It's a very universal kind of shade. It's not pink, it's not wine, it's a very unique shade which is a mix of mauve and pink undertones. I really liked it. Definitely looking forward to using this one. I like such shades and it's a little different from the regular pinks and reds and yet it suits all skin tones really well. It is a very flattering shade, I would say. Then in jewelry we have this one. It's actually a kamarband. So this is how it looks. It's actually a line of these rhinestones, golden rhinestones, which you can tie around your waist area. So if you're wearing any kind of lehenga or saris, this is something that you can wear with that and it looks really pretty and very stylish and sexy when you wear it near your waist with saris and all. And it's a very simple one. I like such ones for casual occasions. So I'm really happy with this one too. So that's all we have in the March 2019 Glamstory mini edition. For a price tag of $349 including shipping, it's definitely value for money. You're getting a lipstick, a nice one, a jewelry, some good skincare products, and the Holi colors which are organic. So this actually is a very good gifting option also. If you want to gift someone for Holi, this makes a very nice gift on a very pocket friendly price. Here is a 10% off code flat 10 if you're buying anything else from glamstory.in. So this is their website, www.glamstory.in. You can directly order this box from their website. This coupon is code for individual products, not subscription boxes. So let me clarify that. Now moving to the individual pricing details. The sugar face cubes are for 99 rupees for all the 4. Skin whitening pack we read as 249. Moisturizing cream also we read as 299. Lipstick is for 299. Waistband for 199 and Holi color for 99. But all of these you're getting for just 349. So definitely value for money. I'm really excited to try out all the skincare by Glamstory. And I really love the texture, pigmentation, and especially the shade of this lipstick. If you guys like this box and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.